Tension and uncertainty are mounting in Oregon tonight as the legal battle over National Guard deployments in Portland heads toward a pivotal ruling. A federal judge is expected to decide soon whether President Donald Trump's order to send hundreds of Guard troops to protect a Portland ICE facility can move forward, or if it violates state sovereignty. The 3-day trial before U.S. District Judge Karin Immergut revealed a stunning twist. Guard troops were already on site at the ICE facility earlier this month, even after the judge explicitly ordered them not to deploy. Government attorneys admitted that as many as 10 soldiers remained there for hours after the restraining order took effect. Immergut pressed federal lawyers, asking if that violated her directive. One Justice Department attorney insisted it did not, claiming the soldiers were already in motion before the order was issued and that it took time to stand them down. At the heart of this case is a clash between federal authority and state control. The Trump administration argues it has the constitutional power to respond to what it calls coordinated violence against federal property. But Oregon officials say that's a misrepresentation, calling the move one of the most significant infringements on the state's sovereignty in modern history. Oregon attorney Scott Kennedy told the court the government cannot create the very emergency they propose to resolve. Testimony during the trial raised questions about how the decision was made. A Federal Protective Service deputy director testified he learned about Trump's deployment order from the news, not from Washington. "I was surprised," he said, admitting the ICE facility already had substantial federal protection. When asked about Trump's claim that, quote, "Portland is burning down," the official flatly responded, quote, "I do not agree." A National Guard general also acknowledged that before approving the deployment, he had never visited Portland's ICE site and relied solely on media coverage to assess the situation. State attorneys seized on that, arguing the administration exaggerated isolated violent protests to justify a massive military response. Portland police commanders testified that most demonstrations have been peaceful and that local officers are capable of managing unrest under existing law. They also described friction between city and federal forces, with local police avoiding participation when federal agents use tear gas or pepper balls, citing city laws that restrict such cooperation. One commander called federal tactics disproportionate and warned that they sometimes endanger our own officers. The Justice Department pushed back, insisting that protesters have attacked agents with bats, fireworks, and rocks, and that Guard troops are needed to keep order. For now, National Guard deployments remain frozen under a temporary restraining order. Judge Immergut, a Trump appointee, is expected to issue her final ruling by Sunday. Whatever the decision, it's likely to be appealed immediately. As Portland waits, the standoff underscores a broader national debate over the limits of federal power, state rights, and the role of military force in civil unrest. For continuing updates on this developing story, stay with Newsline USA, America's trusted source for news and analysis.